how to hide all your Facebook photos using the Only Me setting. This tutorial shows you how to make your Facebook profile and photos private on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Profile and Tagging to open your profile privacy settings. In the next step, you'll see a list of privacy options. Go through each one and set them to Only Me to restrict who can see your photos and posts. Following this, if you want a quicker way to hide everything at once, go back and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once done, tap on the three dots on your profile page to open the options menu. From here, tap on Lock Profile to instantly restrict your entire profile, including photos, posts, and personal information from people who are not your friends. Finally, once your profile is locked, only your friends will be able to see your content and everything else will be hidden from the public. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you hide your photos and lock your profile, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.